Hey guys, maybe you have a situation that you'll try to log in your Snapchat account and it cannot be logged in and it's keep crashing and you don't know how to fix it. Then stay with me and watch my video till then and follow these steps and you can easily manage to fix this issue. So without your wasting time, let's start today's topic. My step number 1 is go to your settings and check you are connected with a Wi-Fi router or a mobile network. If you are not connected with a Wi-Fi or cellular network, please connect it and try to log in it. My step number 2 is open your Play Store, find Snapchat and check it is updated or not. If it is not updated, please update it and try to log in it again. If this method is not working, then go back, open your mobile settings, turn it off your Wi-Fi and reconnect it. If you are using a cellular network, go to your mobile data and turn it off and again turn it on and try to log in it again. My step number 4 is go to the app, long press the app and try to uninstall the app. After uninstalling, reinstall the app and try to log in it again. My step number 5 is restart your mobile devices and then try to log in it again. Hope these steps are helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Thanks for watching.